Hello everybody. Well, I'm walking up this farm road here, and I'm coming past a place that is dear to my heart. This is the road to my wife's family's farm, although it's no longer their farm. They sold it to the state a long time ago. But that's the road that my wife's family built. And this land was theirs for quite a long time. Let's take a little walk up. The reason I'm thinking about taking a walk is that it's flooded. I've never seen this road flooded like this. So completely. Look at the way the water bends around the corner there. So nicely. Spills so rapidly. Turns into this pool here. I wonder how deep it is. If I can stick my foot down there easily. Okay, well, that's it there. Let's see. It's not deep at all. I wonder what this says for. I don't feel anything down there. It's drained. I haven't taken a close look at it. Anyway, let's walk up the road, shall we? Flooded farm road. My father-in-law comes here in the spring. It's a secret. And poaches bamboo shoots from this bamboo forest. Even though this little hill is no longer owned by his family, his excuse is that he said he spent so many years as a youth working this mountain, this hill, so hard that he feels it's his. And who's going to deny him that claim? I won't. Aha, that feels good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And they ask, why do I hike in the rain? Because it's hiking in the rain. Of course. And you get to splash. And especially now in the last bit of spring before summer. And maybe it's the first bit of summer after spring. I can never keep them right. This is a great time to wander. No one comes up this road anymore. That's for sure, except me and my father-in-law. Maybe a wandering pilgrim once in a while. I feel close to my wife's family when I come up here. And I try to imagine great-grandfather Inoue cutting these trees in generations past. Each of these bamboo, with their cuts in the trees and all these stacks here, this is all done by my family, my wife's family, and by extension my family. So they've adopted me into their family and have made me one of their own. Lucky guy that I am, I guess. I guess anybody's lucky that gets adopted into a family, right? Look at that wall. These stones right here. My wife's flesh and blood. I eat each and every one of those. More stones. And the bamboo is getting thick up here. Isn't this a lovely grove? I don't need the umbrella anymore. Sorry about that. Having a little trouble with the camera. There we go. There's a cave up here. More of a hole. Oh, here comes the rain again. Better deploy the umbrella. Oh, there's a mushroom upside down. Must have been washed away, eh? I wonder what this is. I should ask my father-in-law. The hole that I told you about is a little further up, and the stream comes out here. Comes right on out. I wonder if my light will turn on. Let's get close. I wonder if we can poke up inside. See what's up there. Let's take a look. I don't know if my light will turn on though. No light. I can hear the sounds of it. Cool air coming out of it. That's pretty cool. Let's go up here. Oh, big spider on the camera. Come here, you. Not a big spider. Here, a little spider on my hand. See that? There it goes. Sorry. Okay, now the stream goes up this way, but I want to show you the cave. I took you up that way a long time ago in a video. Oh, look at this majestic tree. Wow. The progenitor tree. These hills are filled with little caves and holes and depressions leading underground. Lots of mysterious stuff. There's an old tramway built by my wife's family. So you've seen so many tramways in my videos about other farmers. This is the one about my own family's farm. And here's the hole. That's deep. Maybe we can get a better look over here. Ooh, it's squishy here. Careful, Kurt. I hear the water, but I can't see anything. Thanks for coming along and joining me as we visit the family farm. Take care, everybody. Enjoy the rain or the dry or the sun or the light or the day or the night, wherever you are. I'll do the same. Till death do us part. Nothing ominous in that, just a fact. See ya. Hello everybody. Are you interested in meeting other people like you? Interested in the world out there, the exploring and the life outside and the life inside? Come on over to the Softypapa forum. It's a fun place. There's some neat people there. Come on over. We'd like to have you join us. Great place to talk about life. The link will be in the info section. And I hope to see you. Also, there's the J-Vlog website. Take a look at that as well. Great place to see what's going on with participating J-Vlog folks. That link will be down there too. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.